The meat today is highly chemicalized. It's one of the most chemicalized foods there is. We have the steroids in it, which bulks up the animal. We have the adrenaline in it, the animal squirting out in fear of being killed, so it's a high amount of adrenaline in it, a high amount of steroids in it, a high amount of growth hormone, and you develop an aggressive kind of fight kind of behavior because you're eating a lot of adrenaline, which is fight or flight. So we have that kind of chemicalized behavior manifested from this meat that we're eating, but we think meat is totally innocent. Meat is one of the most highly processed foods you can eat.